Here we are, walking into our place to see how bad it is. She looks like she's still intact. Fucking sea came right up to here, look. Right up to my car. So fucking lucky. Holy shit. There's one bridge. There's another bridge. I think we still got power, so that's a good thing. I'll go in shortly. I just want to do a visual on the outside. This is all gone. Holy shit. My extension cord is actually buried underneath the gravel. The siding gone on the back. All the siding is gone. Don't window beat out there. Lots of water in the basement. Everything's destroyed in there. House is totally fucked. No siding off on that side. There's Frank's boat up there. Holy shit. Breakwater stood. Poor old Aura's house. Holy shit. This is fucking devastating.